Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you a few camera tips and tricks for the Vivo V15 Pro. So first of all, when you find the volume buttons, they are located on the right side, you can click on the volume up or volume down and you will take photos. When you click and hold one of this button, you are going to take the series of the photo and you can take 20 photos in each series. When you click on the screen once, you can find the sun icon, so you can move it up and down to decrease or increase brightness level. You can also do this automatically by tapping on the screen 2 times. Next, when you click right here, you can add some filters. As you can see, it's changing colors and the temperature. Right here, you can switch between the lenses, so we can turn on, for example, to the wide lens. And you can also zoom in or zoom out by pinching screen with the 2 fingers. When you go to the settings, we can change, for example, the camera aspect ratio. We can also enable the touch shutter and voice shutter, and also the palm of the hand shutter. So let's activate every way. And first of all, we can say cheese. Let me say it one more time. Cheese. And as you can see, the photo was taken. Another one, it was the touch shutter, so we can just click on the screen and the photo will be taken. And the last one, we can show the palm of our hand and the photo will be also taken after 3 seconds. Right here we can also take 48 megapixel photos. Thanks to this mode, we'll get more details on our photos. So take a look on the preview. Maybe it's not the best example because I just moved the phone. Let's do this one more time. Okay, let's see how it looks right now. Okay, it's still not looking good. So let's try to repeat. I'm gonna hold the phone steady with my 2 hands. Okay. And this one looks a little bit better. As you can see, we can find some details. For example, these pieces of the dust on this white surface. When you open this settings one more time, we are also able to set grid lines. As you can see right now, they appear on the list on the screen and they help us to take better composition on the photos. And when you're outside and if you want to get a little bit more light on your photos, you can try to use the night mode. So you have to also hold your phone steady and then just take the photo. And that's all camera tips and tricks for the Vivo V15 Pro. Hope you like it.